When you've collected entries into one or more lists and would like to export them from ShortStack, you have a number of options. First, decide which entries you'd like to export. You can export a single list, more than one list, or all entries filtered by certain criteria. The criteria can be anything from entries that have been approved, collected between specific dates, or even entries collected using a custom field, such as those who opted into your mailing list. When you've narrowed down the entries you'd like to export, click Export at the top. Select what you'll be exporting, whether it be the entry data, any type of file that was uploaded with the entries, such as an image, PDF, etc., or both, and click Next. Here, choose if you'd like to create an export profile. By clicking No, ShortStack will create an export using all data fields available. By clicking Yes, you will create a custom data profile of data that will be exported. If you'd like to create an export profile, click Yes, and either choose a profile you've already set up or click Add at the bottom to make a new one. Give your new profile a name and a description. Then edit the profile to include all the data fields you'd like included in your export. When you're done making edits, click Save and click Select to select that profile. Click Next and add an email address you'd like your export to be emailed to. Then click Export and close. You'll receive a link to download your export. For security purposes, this link will expire after 24 hours.